Hi children, how are you? I hope all are safe at home. Grade 8, Subject Mathematics, Chapter 2, topic is Linear Equations in One Variable. Before that, we will recall few things about related this chapter. Degree of an equation, linear equation, about variable, equality and solving equation. Degree of an equation. The highest power of the unknown variable is called the degree of an equation. Example, first one, 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here, left hand side 5x plus 3 is there. In right hand side 0 is there. Here the coefficient of x is 5. Given variable is x in first equation. Coefficient of x is 5 and 3 is constant term. Here see the first term 5x. The highest power of x is 1. So here the degree is 1 as well as this is called linear equation. See the second example. The given equation is 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. In left hand side 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is there. In right hand side 0 is there. See the variable is x. In first term 2x square is there. Here coefficient of x square is 2. See the second term 3x is there. Coefficient of x is 3 and the constant term is 1. In this equation, take first term 2x square. In front of x square 2 is there, that is called coefficient. X square, take x square, the power is 2. In next term 3x, power of x is 1. In this equation, the highest power is 2. So here the degree of an equation is 2. What is linear equation? An equation whose degree is 1, that is called linear equation. See the example, x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the example for linear equation in one variable. See the equation here, only one variable, that is x is here. So this is the example for linear equation for one variable. X plus 2. Here left hand side value is x plus 2. Power of x is 1. So here the degree is 1. So this is called linear equation. About variable. An equation is a condition on a variable. The word variable means something that can vary. That is change. A variable takes on different numerical values. Its value is not fixed. Variables are denoted usually by the letters of the alphabets such as X, Y, Z, L, M, N, P, etc. From variables, we form expressions. The expressions are formed by performing operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on the variables. See the given examples. First example, 2p minus 1 is equal to 23. Another one, 10y minus 20 is equal to 50. These both equations are examples for linear equations in one variable. See the first example, 2p minus 1 equal to 23. Here only one variable p is there. So this is called linear equation in one variable. See the another equation, 10y minus 20 equal to 50. There also only one variable y is there. Equality. In an equation, there is always an equality sign. The equality sign shows that the value of the expression to the left hand side is equal to the expression to the right hand side. Example, 4x plus 5 is equal to 65. In first example, left hand side value is 4x plus 5 and right hand side value is 65. If we substitute x equal to 15 in left hand side, we get 4 into 15 plus 5. 4 15s are 60. 60 plus 5, 65. So if we substitute x equal to 15 in left hand side also 65. Right hand side is equal to 65 already given. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is called the example for equality. See the next example. The given equation is 2y plus 8 is equal to 12. Left hand side of the given equation is 2y plus 8. Right hand side of the equation is 12. If we put y equal to 2 in left hand side, 2y plus 8, we get 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Here left hand side we get 12 and right hand side already 12 is given. If left hand side is equal to right hand side, that is the example for equality. There is some sign other than the equality sign between the left hand side and the right hand side. It is not an equation. For example, 4x plus 3 is greater than 52 is not an equation because it says that the value of 4x plus 3 is greater than 52. So that is not an equation. Solving equations. Let us recall the technique of solving equations with example. Example, 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. If we add 3 on both sides, we get 2x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 7 plus 3. Now plus 3 minus 3 cancel. 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 divided by 2. That is equal to 5. Later, that is called another method. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. 2x is equal to 7 plus 3. On transposing minus 3, it comes to right hand side. It becomes plus 3. So minus 3, that is minus 3 comes that side. It change into plus 3. So 2x is equal to 10. Now x is equal to 10 divided by 2. That is 2 comes this side. That comes under division. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. The value of x is equal to 5. If you want to check whether the solution is right or wrong, you put x equal to 5 in the left hand side of the given equation. For example, if we substitute x in 2x minus 3, 2 into 5, 10. 10 minus 3, 7. So now left hand side as well as right hand side both are same. So the solution is right. We will go to exercise now. Exercise 2.1. Totally 12 sums are there, children. I will explain 8 sums. Do it yourself, the remaining problems. See the first sum. The given equation is x minus 2 is equal to 7. Solution. Given equation is x minus 2 is equal to 7. Minus 2 comes that side. It changes into plus 2. So, x is equal to 7 plus 2. Now, your solution is x is equal to 9. If you want to check, put x equal to 9 in your main question x minus 2. That is, substitute in left hand side of the question x minus 2. If we put x equal to 9, 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Already right hand side also 7. So, the x is equal to 9 is the right solution for this given equation. Second problem, y plus 3 is equal to 10. Solution, the given equation is y plus 3 is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 minus 3. How is it possible? Plus 3 comes that side. It becomes minus 3. So, we get y equal to 10 minus 3. Now, 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So, y is equal to 7. If you want to check it, follow the previous problem. Follow as previous problem like that. That is, put y equal to 7 in left hand side of your equation. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So, here also left hand side as well as right hand side both are same. So, your solution also correct solution. Next one, 3 divided by 7 plus x is equal to 17 divided by 7. Solution, the given equation is 3 divided by 7 plus x is equal to 17 divided by 7. Now, 3 by 7 comes that side. It changes into minus 3 by 7. So, x is equal to 17 divided by 7 minus 3 divided by 7. See the denominators. Both denominators are same. So, x is equal to 17 minus 3 whole divided by 7. 17 minus 3 is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 divided by 7. 7 and 14 both numbers are divisible by 7. If we do the simplification, x is equal to 2. Next problem, t divided by 5 is equal to 10. Solution, t divided by 5 is equal to 10. 5 comes that side. It comes under multiplication. So, t is equal to 10 into 5. So, 10 into 5 is equal to 50. So, t is equal to 50. If you want to check the answer, put t is equal to 50 in your left hand side of the equation. 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10. Left hand side as well as right hand side both are same. So, t is equal to 50 is the right answer. Seventh one, 2x divided by 3 is equal to 18. Solution, 2x divided by 3 is equal to 18. If 3 comes that side, it comes under multiplication. Remaining left hand side 2x is there. 2x is equal to 18 into 3. 18 3s are 54. So 2x is equal to 54. Left hand side 2 comes right hand side. It comes under division. So x is equal to 54 divided by 2. 2 and 54 both are divisible by 2. Now we get 27. So x is equal to 27. Next problem. 1.6 is equal to y divided by 1.5. Here y is equal to 1.6 into 1.5. How is it possible? 1.5 comes this side. It comes under multiplication. So y is equal to 1.6 into 1.5. That is equal to 2.4. Here y is equal to 2.4. 10th sum. 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. Solution. 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. 14y is equal to 13 plus 8. That is, left hand side minus 8 comes to this side. That becomes plus 8. So 14y is equal to 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. Y is equal to 21 divided by 14. 14 comes this side. It comes under division. 14 and 21 both are divisible by 7. So 7 3s are 21. 7 2s are 14. We get y is equal to 3 divided by 2. Here also, if you want to check the solution, substitute y is equal to 3 by 2 in left hand side of the equation 14y minus 8. We get 13. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So here also y is equal to 3 by 2 is correct solution. Next problem, 12th one. X divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 divided by 15. Solution. X divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 divided by 15. Plus 1 comes that side. It becomes minus 1. X divided by 3 is equal to 7 divided by 15 minus 1. X divided by 3 is equal to right hand side. Do the cross multiplication. 7 3 is equal to 7 divided by 15 minus 1. X divided by 3 is equal to 7 minus 15 divided by 15. Here we took the cross multiplication. X divided by 3 is equal to 7 minus 15 is equal to minus 8 divided by 15. X is equal to minus 8 into 3 divided by 15, because left hand side divided by 3 comes this side. It comes under multiplication with minus 8. So x is equal to minus 8 into 3 divided by 15. So x is equal to minus 24 divided by 15. Both are, that is 15 and 24, both are divisible by 3. So x is equal to minus 8 divided by 5. summary, we have learned about degree of equations, linear equations, about variable, equality and solving equations. Homework questions are given. Exercise 2.1. Solve the following. Note down the questions, children. Try to complete the given problems. In exercise 2.1, you will get the worksheet for this session. Try to complete worksheet also. We will see the continuity of this chapter in next session. Thank you, children.